Welcome to Borishal Cadet College and good morning to you all. Hope you all are fine at your home. Dear cadets, you have to follow the preventive tips for your safety. Firstly, wash hands with water and soap or sanitizer at least 20 seconds. Avoid contact with sick people. Don't touch eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Don't eat raw food, thoroughly cook meat and eggs. Avoid contact with animals and animal product. Due to corona pandemic, our regular classes are not taking place. So now I am here to take your class virtually. I am Abu Said, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishal Cadet College. Dear cadets, can you guess from the picture what we are going to discuss today? This is triangle. Here three sides are unequal. This is a right angle triangle. Here the angle is, one angle is 90 degree. Here equilateral triangle has three sides are equal. This is an isosceles triangle. Here two sides are equal. This is an scalene triangle. Here three sides are unequal. So our today's topic is mensuration from chapter 16.1 of your book. Learning outcome. After the class, you will be able to determine the area of triangle, solve area related problems. Right angle triangle. You know, area of right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. If two sides of a triangular region and the angle included between them are given, then area is equal to half AB sin C. Here AB are two sides and C means the angle, included angle. If three sides of the triangle are unequal, then area of the triangle root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S means semi-perimeter. We know semi-perimeter is equal to S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here A, B, C are the three sides of a triangle. Again we repeat. Area of right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. And if two sides of a triangular region and angle are given, then area is equal to half into AB sin C. If three sides are unequal, then we use this formula, and area is equal to root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now equilateral triangle. You know the three sides of a triangle are equal, then this triangle are known as equilateral triangle. Let the length of each side of the equilateral triangle be A. So area of the equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Here A is the side, each sides. Now isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Let ABC be isosceles triangle, in which AB and AC are equal and BC is base. So now AB is equal to AC is equal to A and BC is equal to B. Here B means base and A sides. So area of the isosceles triangle is equal to half into BC into AD. That means B by 4 root 4A square minus B square. Here A means side of an isosceles triangle and B means base. We use this formula. Now we use this formula to solve some problems. Now first question. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 16 meter. If the length of equal sides is 5 by 6 of base, then find the area of triangle. You know the area of isosceles triangle is equal to root b by 4 root 4a square minus b square. So here given that the perimeter of isosceles triangle is 16 meter. Let ABC be an isosceles triangle having AB is equal to AC and BC base. Now let BC is equal to X and AB is equal to AC is equal to 5 by 6x meter. Here given that perimeter is equal to 16 meter. That's why we can write 5 by 6x plus 5 by 6x plus x. That means adding 3 sides is equal to 16. Now LCM 6, then 5x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 16. That means 16x is equal to 96. Therefore, x equal to 6. Now, we know the area of the isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 root 4a square minus b square. Here a means length of sides and b means base. Now putting the value of a and b, here b means 6 and a means 5. After calculating this, we can write 6 by 4 into 8. That means x 100 minus 36. That means 64. Root 64 is equal to 8. After calculating this, we can write 12 square meter. This is our required answer. Now another question. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 9 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively, and the angle included between them is 60 degree. Find the area. Here given that two sides and included angle. You know, if two sides and included angle are given, then the area is equal to half AB sine theta. Here A and B are sides of a triangle and theta means angle, included angle. Let now solution. Let the sides of triangle A is equal to 9 centimeter and B is equal to 10 centimeter respectively, and included angle theta is equal to 60 degree. We know area of the triangle is equal to half AB sine theta. Now putting this value here, then half into 9 into 10 into 60, sine 60 degree. We know sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. After calculating this, we can write 38.97 square centimeter. This is our required answer. Now another question. The area of an equilateral triangle increased by 3 root 3 square meter when the length of each sides increased by 1 meter. Find the length of the side of the triangle. You know the area of the equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4a square. Here given that if each sides is increased by 1 meter, then area of the equilateral triangle increase by root 3 square meter. Now solution. Let the length of each sides of equilateral triangle is a. Therefore, its area root 3 by 4a square. You know, area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4a square. Now, another condition. Here given that the length of each sides increase by 1 meter. That's why we can write the area of of the triangle when the length of each side increase by 1 meter, then the area of the triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a plus 1 whole square meter. According to the condition, we can write root 3 by 4 into a plus 1 whole square minus root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 3 root 3. Now, after calculating, we can write a plus 1 whole square minus a square is equal to 12. You know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, applying this formula here, then we can write a square plus 2a plus 1 minus a square is equal to 12. Here a square cancel, then we can write a is equal to 5.5. Here a square cancel, then we can write 2a is equal to 11. Then that's why we can write a is equal to 5.5. The required length is 5.5 meter. Now another question. The length of three sides of a triangle are 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 9 centimeter respectively. Find its area. You know, if three sides are unequal, then this triangle is scalar triangle, and its area is equal to root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And here s means semi-perimeter, and s is equal to a plus b plus c. Now, here applying this formula, then we solve this problem. Solution. Let the length of the sides of triangle are a is equal to 7 centimeter, b is equal to 8 centimeter, and c is equal to 9 centimeter. Now the semi-perimeter is equal to, you know, a plus b plus c by 2. That means 7 plus 8 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 12. And its area is equal to root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now putting the value of s and a, b, c here, then we can write 12 into 12 minus 7 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 9. After calculating this, we can write 12 into 12 minus 7, that means 5. 12 minus 8, that means 4. 12 minus 9, that means 3. After multiplying this, then we can write root 720. After calculating this, we can write 26.83. This is our required answer. Now another question. From a certain place, two roads run into two directions, making an angle 135 degree. From that place, a person moves in the two directions with the speed 7 km per hour and 5 km per hour respectively. What will be the direct distance from after 4 hours? Solution. Let two persons start from A with a velocity 7 km per hour and 5 km per hour respectively, and reach B and C after 4 hours. Then after 4 hours, the direct distance between them is BC. From C perpendicular to CD is drawn on BA produced. Here, let two persons start from A. Here, this point, A with velocity 7 km per hour and 5 km per hour, and reaches B and C after 4 hours. Then we can write as 7 km 4 hour per hour. That means after 4 hours we can write 7 into 4. That means 20, 28. And this side's 5 km per hour. So after 4 hours we can write 5 into 4. That means 20 meters. And from C, a perpendicular CD drawn on BA. Now BA produced. So what will be the direct distance from B and C? So our required distance is BC. Therefore, AB is equal to 4 into 7 kilometer. That means 28 kilometer. And AC is equal to 4 into 5. That means 20 kilometer. Now we know this part and this part. We find this part. So we find firstly CD and AD. And after putting this value, then we can find BC. And angle BAC, here given that angle BAC is equal to 135, then we can write angle DAC is equal to 45 degree, because this total angle is 180 degree. That means 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. So this portion is equal to 45 degree. Now ACD is a right angle triangle, and we can write sine 45 degree is equal to CD by AC, because you know sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular CD and hypotenuse AC. That's why we can write sine 45 degree is equal to CD by AC. Now CD is equal to AC sine 45 degree. Here we know AC is equal to 20. Now putting this value here, and sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. After calculating this, we can write 14.144. Again, cos 45 degree is equal to AD by AC. You know, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Here, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Cos 45 degree, that means this angle. That's why AD here, AD is base and hypotenuse AC. That's why we can write cos 45 degree is equal to AD by AC. Now AD is equal to AC cos 45 degree is equal to, you know, AC is equal to 20. After putting this value, we can, and cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. After putting this value here, then we can write 20 into 1 by root 2 is equal to 14.144. Again from triangle BCD. Here D is right angle. That's why we can write BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square. From Pythagoras, we can write BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. And here BD means AB plus AD. That's why you can write BD is equal to AB plus AD whole square plus CD square. Now putting this value, here AD means 14.144 and AB means 28, and CD means CD means 14.144. After calculating this, we can write 1976.16. Then BC is equal to 44.45. This is our required answer. Now another question, a creative question. Area of a area of a rectangular region is 540 square centimeter. If its length decrease 7 centimeter, then it become a square. Length of an isosceles triangle is 36 centimeter, whose area is equal to the area of the rectangular region. Now question number A. If the wheel makes 10 revolutions to cover 205 centimeter distance, then find the radius of the wheel. Determine the length of the rectangular region and determine the perimeter of the triangle. Now solution. First question. Here Given that if the wheel makes 10 revolutions to cover 200 pi centimeter distance, then find the radius of the wheel. So let us try to find the radius of a wheel. Here 10 revolutions. Rotating 10 times the wheel reaches 200 pi, and rotating 1 times is equal to, we can write 20 pi centimeter. We know the circumference of a wheel is 2 pi r, and 2 are given that 2 pi r is equal to 20 pi. That's why we can write 2 pi r is equal to 20 pi. Now pi cancel, then we can write r is equal to 10 centimeter. This is our required answer. Now question number B. Here determine the length of the rectangular region. Here given that area of the rectangular region is 540 square centimeter, and if its length is decreased 7 centimeter, then it's become a square. Then determine the length of rectangular region. Let the length of the rectangle x centimeter and width of the rectangle is y centimeter. You know, area of the rectangle is length into base breadth. That means xy. By the given condition, we can write xy is equal to 540. And here also given x minus 7 is equal to y. Now putting this value here, then we can from 2 putting this value in 1, then we can write x into x minus 7 is equal to 540. Now multiplying this, we can write x square minus 7x is equal to 540. Now we can write x square minus 7x minus 540 is equal to 0. Now middle term, then we can write x square minus 27x plus 20x minus 540 is equal to 0. Here x common, then we can write x minus 27. Here 20 common, then we can write x minus 27 is equal to 0. Here x minus 27 are common term. That's why we can write x minus 27 and x plus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 27, because x equal to minus 20 is not acceptable. You know, sides always positive. That's why we can write x is equal to 27. So our required length of rectangle is 27 centimeter. This is our required answer. Now, third question. Determine the perimeter of isosceles triangle. Let the equal sides of isosceles triangle is a centimeter and base B is equal to 36 centimeter. You know, the area of isosceles triangle is B by 4 root 4a square minus b square. Here A means equal sides and B means base. And by the given condition, here given that area is equal to 540. That's why we can write b by 4 root 4a square minus b square is equal to 540, or 36 by 4. Here b means 36. That's why you can write 36 by 4 is equal to root 4a square minus 36 square is equal to 540. Now, here 36 by 4, that means 9. Now dividing 9 these sides, then we can write root 4a square minus 36 square is equal to 540 by 9. Now we square both sides, that we can write 4a square minus 36 square is equal to 60 square. After calculating this, we can write a square is equal to 1224. Now a is equal to root 1224. That means 6 root 34. We know perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c. That here a means 6 root 34, b means 6 root 34, and c means base here 36 here given. That's why you can write perimeter of a triangle is equal to 6 root 34 plus 6 root 34 plus 36 is equal to, we can write 105.97 square meter and 7 centimeter approximately. This is our required answer. Now this is your homework. The perimeter of a right angle triangle is 6 centimeter, less than 11 by 12 times of the base, and the hypotenuse is 3 centimeter, less than 4 by 3 times of the base. Now question number A, let the base be x, express the area of the triangle in terms of x, find the length of the base. And question number C, if the length of the base of triangle is 12 centimeter, find the area of the equilateral triangle having the same perimeter as its perimeters. That's all for today. If you have any query, you can ask that in the comment section. Lastly, I would like to remind you the most important thing in this critical situation: you must stay home and keep yourself safe. Stay fine. Thank you.